Alright, check this out. So today, I'm about to take the Mustang, go pick up a car, grab some lunch. I think I want to eat in Sausalito. I've never been out there before. Grab some lunch, pick up the Fusion. But the main objective today is to figure out what I'm doing next to the convertible. I want to upgrade it somehow. I think I'll make some more money if it's just a little bit more modern, look a little outdated. So that's the plan today. Come up with a plan for that and put some action behind it. All right, later.
All right, thank you.
Yep, this is good right here. Thanks, man. All right, take care. Ooh, that was cool. Please leave us a review. I'll make sure to leave you a 5-star review as well. Thanks. All right. Got to get that review. That's how we keep getting this money. But yeah. Just got to the lunch spot out here in Sausalito. Kind of little vibe. But we'll see how it is when we get inside. Food finally came. I already started eating, but I still wanted to show it out. Lunch spot. Alright, just finished up eating. Them was easily some of the most smacking fish tacos I ever had. Fire, but anyway. Finna get this started. Got back, about to park the 5-0 for the day. So I'm gonna lock that up. And then we gonna hop in Lil Susie Vert and see what we can do with this. For the upgrades, I'll show y'all what I want to upgrade. This is what I really want to upgrade. This little radio. I hate this crap. I'd have made a lot of money the way it is, but I think it's finally time to upgrade it. Because I'm going to probably add another convertible. Probably a Porsche or a BMW. M2 or 2 Series. And this can't just be looking like this. Gotta try to find a solution for this. So that's what we're going to do now. So I just put up to the car audio depot over here and see what kind of prices they talking about. Got a bunch of stuff in here. Yeah, I'll be doing like a lot of car stuff. I'm working on that silver Mustang, and then I'm working on my 5.0 at the same time.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh. Yeah, anything I'm doing with my cars, I just record it now because people be interested in it.
Yeah. Put some music in the background, make a nice YouTube video.
Yeah.
That's true.
Is this the and it's compatible with CarPlay? It does.
It is. Yeah. So no CDs on this one. I'll do the CarPlay, I'll do USB.
Nobody uses CDs no more anymore.
Especially our age, man. Nobody cares for it.
Yeah.
It's like the sex these days.
You gotta replace the backup camera too. And it's gonna be one of these. This silver, black, or white. Leaning towards this one. Turn it off. So they was cool up there. They was real cool. They gave me a little couple options. I'm gonna go with this Pioneer deck, and this will give me the Apple CarPlay, upgrade the reverse camera. right now during the peak season, I would charge like I'll say like 75 a day. And instead of charging that, I'll probably be able to go up to like 85, 90 a day, which is gonna go a long way over the course of months. Because now I'm gonna be at like 1,500, 1,750 a month easily through those peak months instead of 1,200 to 1,500. So it's worth it. Like I said, it's an investment. It's money going back into the business. This ain't me splurging. This ain't me balling. This is literally just reinvesting my money into the business. I'll make that, whatever it costs me, $500 back. $550, $600, whatever the cost is. I'll make that back within a month of renting the car out during the peak season. So I'm not completely tripping, but we just gonna see how it look when we finish it up.
Don't wanna fade into the dark, but I just can't take it anymore.